Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today, friends, I will tell you how to earn money by playing games on this site and making money by solving surveys. First, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Here, 1,000 points are equal to $1. You can earn $100 a week by using here. Friends, you can get detailed information by reading here. We register here and log into the site. Be sure to enter the correct email and password. I logged into the system. You see the money I earned at the top. There are 3 methods here. There is a competition here if you are ranked. You will be given prizes. Here you can see what rank you are in. Here you see my profile, how much money I earned from the profile, and the reference link is here. You can see other settings here too. I'm showing you who is referenced here again. You can invite your friends from here. Here is the withdrawal section. You can either buy a gift card here or withdraw your money from here. My advice to you is to withdraw your money to Dogecoin or Lite. Other cryptocurrencies have higher commission fees. The minimum withdrawal amount is $2, which means 2,000 points. You can easily withdraw your money by filling in here. You need to make a choice here. You can choose here for Android computers and Apples. Friends, what you need to pay attention to when downloading an application is whether it is risk-free without investing money. Click on the application we will download and learn what we need to do. Now watch carefully from now on. Friends, be careful. Do as I did. Friends, okay. But it is never investment advice. In the section below, the logic is the same. We can download games, we can download applications, and we can earn money by solving surveys in the second section. But pay attention to the duration here, friends. I mean, is it a month, a week, or a day? Pay attention to all of these. Yes, friends, I tried to make some examples for you. But I also like this. I am not deceiving you like other YouTubers. You can earn enough money from here, so $100 is very little money. Yes, this is the survey section. Here you get points according to the difficulty, ease, duration, and types of the survey. This score is reflected directly as money. My advice to you is to always try to answer the same answers correctly and answer them without worrying. Take a pen and paper and write. If you want to earn a lot of money from here, call a reference to play games and fulfill the tasks to resolve the surveys as much as you can. Look at the surveys while solving them. I say again, solve consistently, okay? It doesn't take my information here. It checks if there is a survey for me, guys. Yes, he asked me some questions here. I tried to answer as much as possible. He searched for the survey, and unfortunately, I could not find it. Unfortunately, you can try to do it in other survey systems as well. Now I'm telling you briefly, call a reference, download the two applications, and do the necessary tasks. Do the tasks in the two sections. Pay attention to the surveys. Try to give the same information all the time. Try to complete it on time. Show yourself as a perfect employee. Sometimes it may unfold.